Right now, thousands of feet above the Earth, invisible engines are defying the laws of physics. From the freezing void of the stratosphere to the inferno inside the engine core, we push the boundaries of extreme engineering.
At 900 degrees Celsius, the heat signature is unmistakable. Detection is now active.
This scale represents the eternal engineering challenge, balancing the need for raw thrust with the necessity of thermal concealment.
Composites' resilience lies in its microscopic structure. The woven fibers and the underlying crystalline lattice enable it to tolerate extreme thermal stress. A metallic structure would conduct this heat straight through, but this ceramic panel disperses the energy, maintaining a dramatic temperature drop across its thickness.
With a superior strength-to-weight ratio, this advanced insulation technology redefines performance at the extremes of high-altitude flight.
The Micro-Pore design precisely manages the cooling airflow, creating a protective thermal film that extends the turbine blade's lifespan. The boundary layer masks the internal heat from outside sensors, maintaining a cool exterior despite the extreme temperatures within the turbine blade.
The aerogel's nanostructure effectively captures residual thermal energy. Heat particles are rapidly slowed and absorbed deep within the porous material, preventing The serpentine geometry forces the hot exhaust to mix thoroughly with cooler injected air, significantly reducing the engine's infrared signature against the night sky. The housing shape is engineered with faceted surfaces that redirect infrared radiation upward, away from ground sensors. The heatsink rapidly absorbs the thermal spike, drawing the intense energy across its ribbed fins and dissipating it safely away from the core components.
These ceramic thermal shrouds are evolving rapidly, enabling the next generation of hypersonic platforms.
The fragility of these materials presents a logistical challenge, especially when maintaining them far from advanced repair facilities.
As fast as we build the shields, they build the sensors. This race has no finish line, only the next phase.